Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Last week was very interesting. We saw a fresh entry in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. I'm talking about Invest Corp Capital. I have already uploaded a video. Just in case if you have missed it, I will provide a iCard right at the top. You may watch it. Also, there was a major announcement. Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange and New York Stock Exchange have signed a MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding. So with this agreement, there are good chances stocks that are listed in ADX may be traded in New York Stock Exchange. At the same time, stocks that are listed in NYSE, that is New York Stock Exchange, can be cross-listed in ADX market. So this is very interesting and exciting news. This will bring in more liquidity and more opportunities for investors and traders. So with that, let's start our analysis. I'm on the weekly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. We can see good momentum coming in from 9,240 area. Last closing is bit indecisive, but I would like to highlight something here. We can see a correction from this level, that is 9,240 area. Now it has recovered more than 50% of this drop to the downside. So this is a decision time now, whether ADX index wants to climb higher or if it will hit 61%, that is a golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement and extension. It can come down for a correction to retest this area, that is around 9,475, and then maybe we can see a move to the upside again. Or in another scenario, there are chances if it wants to continue its upside momentum, then we want to see a close above this resistance, that is 9,650 area. So on the weekly chart, yes, we can see good recovery coming in, but for now it's just taking a small pause. Hopefully I will go down to daily to see how it is showing on the daily chart. We can see a resistance area that I had discussed earlier right here. After this strong move, it took a pause just near the resistance. This is a typical build up and then boom to the upside. After the breakout of this resistance, that is 9,570, in Friday's session we can see a retest of this area. Hopefully from here we should see a continuation to the upside. Next hurdle is at 9,650 area. There are chances that it may hang around here for a few days and then prepare for a fresh breakout. There are three resistance areas at the top: 9,650, 9,685 and 9,730 area. For now, we can still say ADX market is still under recovery phase. If this was a higher low, then we want to see a new high very soon. Overall, market sentiments are positive as of now, so I'm bullish biased. I'm expecting upside momentum. And now let's check out Dubai Financial Market Index. So I will start with weekly chart again here, and we are seeing a similar kind of reaction. A drop from here that is around 4,165 till about, we can say, 3,735 area, and it has touched the golden ratio of Fibonacci, that is 61%, and from here we saw a rejection as well. But last week's candle is showing us some buying pressure at the bottom. There are good chances it can continue up. On the daily chart, it's showing us nice bullish momentum. We can see it build up right before the resistance area, that is around 4,000 points. And in Friday's session, we saw it came down to retest this area, that is 3,970. Last closing is positive, very near to 4,000 points. There are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Next hurdle is at 4,040 points. And then we have minor resistance areas on the way, that is like 4,080 points. Then we have 4,100 and then 4,145 area. So overall, as of now, both the indexes, that is ADX and DFM, are looking positive. We saw a bullish build-up taking place and now it's gearing up for the move. So overall, I think market indexes are ready to go up. Let's see how it performs coming week. And now let's discuss a stock that is looking bullish. This is the daily chart of EN, that is ETISALAT. We can see a strong momentum to the upside from this area, that is around 17.65. A strong rally till about 20.40. I had mentioned this area is resistance. Watch out if you have entered at the bottom areas. You want to book some of the profits here. We will see some kind of negative reaction purely because earlier we saw this was a breakdown area, this was resistance, and this area was support. Right here we can see price was just hanging around. Finally, it could not sustain and boom to the downside. So many bag holders are sitting in this area, and now when the price is visiting for the first time at the same zone, obviously they will offload their stocks at break even and try to get rid of their positions. For now we can see a bullish chart pattern. Let me delete the drawings. We can see a nice pole and a flag pattern. This is the pole, and from here we can see a flag pattern formation. This is a good indication. At the same time we are seeing a breakout as well. This is immediate support area. Let me highlight here. This is immediate support. And then what happened is, after the breakout of this resistance, that is 19.60, it broke the resistance. We can see a retest of the same area. Wick at the bottom indicates buying pressure, and now with this pin bar it's indicating it's taking a pause. Well, there are two scenarios. It can come down again, spend some time here, and then make a breakout to the upside, breaking the strong resistance of 20.40. Or if it opens with a gap up, there are good chances it will try to break this resistance and also close above this zone so that it can continue its rally. A negative scenario would be if it opens with a gap down, then buyers will be discouraged. Those who have bought at the top, they will try to square up their positions. It may come down to hit the support, spend some time here, and then it will decide its direction, whether it wants to go up or come down to retest 19.20. Overall, this is a healthy breakout. We are seeing good volumes as well. For now, we don't want to see a chart pattern failure. That is, it should not come back again below this trend line. It should not trade within this flag pattern again. This will indicate a chart pattern failure, and there are good chances it can come down to retest lower levels as well. Hopefully we don't see this scenario and it continues its upside momentum. If you understood my analysis, hit the like button, share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.